What's going on, guys? Welcome back to D-Tune Performance, and today we're going to be finally getting back to getting this car back where it needs to go. And unfortunately, this car has been down for around a year, and mainly just because of that down spiral. Oh, let me upgrade this and that and this and this and this and this. So basically the car, well, you're gonna see everything in the upcoming videos, but let's start with the engine bay. So unfortunately my camera did die on that last clip, but this is a little bit of an upgrade of what we used to be in here, and this is one of the main reasons why this build has taken forever, because it just started to be a money pit, just more money. But a quick overview, I do have a tuck radiator out of a Volkswagen MK1, I believe. I don't know, I just read the forums and ordered it on eBay, 100 bucks. We do got some dashboard motor mounts. We have a full brake tuck system and a clutch line tuck also, and basically a full upgraded bushing, I guess you can call it, suspension on the bottom end, and it also does have a manual rack. But right now we're not going to be working on any of this. We're going to be working on something a little bit more cooler and a little bit better, the transmission. And just like that, we're back. So I actually already was in the process of making a transmission video, but a couple good deals came about and I ended up picking up this M Factory LSD, kind of a deal that I couldn't pass on, even though it's going to push the build a little bit back, but it's just worth it because of the amount of power we're going to actually be able to put down. So right here we just had a completely stock Phantom grip, very sketchy. We're not doing this anymore, and right now we're going to be replacing it with this, and also brand new bearings, which is also very important. Along with that, this is a full B16 transmission case, front half and back half, with a LS gear stack, but it has a GSR final drive, so we can get that quick acceleration coming from. But not just that, I also did the math, and it was about my liking, but I'm gonna do a little bit of trial and error and see what works and what doesn't. Also, I got a new bearing for up top because the old one was bad. I replaced this synchro, not the hub, not the actual no, that's the hub, this is the slider. The slider, I replaced the slider. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take off these bolts because I need to use them on this side, and we're gonna be installing the final drive that I have on the other side. So let's get to work. So put the washers down here, ready to go. Then we're gonna grab our complete gear stack. We're gonna maneuver this all the way down. Oh, okay. Doesn't have anything to do with this. That's normally what happens. Usually this takes a couple of tries. Boy, you have to kind of play the chicken dance. Like so. And slide the pin all the way down. Like so. Now we continue with the reverse idler. Once we got the reverse idler, make sure it lines up. Then we got the reverse electric, which goes in these two tins and is what holds the idler up. So, like this and like so. These two. That was like 10 foot-pounds and you guys didn't even see it. This is your last time to kind of like inspect everything and see how everything is going, and we have to clean the surface up, and we're pretty much ready to drop the case. Let's about it. We gotta lay down a bead of Honda Bond. Highly recommend to use Honda Bond, no other Fugazi stuff. Definitely stick with the best and the best and the best. So let me go get a blade. I'll clean this up and come back to you guys. You want to make sure you have a little something that you could use to shift the gear selector while you're running down not a hammer. So let's get this party started. Got the case right here. We're working our way down. Now all we gotta do is open the snap ring, and with a screwdriver you could do it through here, or you could flip the case over, whatever works for you. You can lock the top snap ring. Normally I just spread it open, and with a screwdriver just pop it open. That works for me. I've also done the one where you drop it a couple times. That works for me too. So it's all depending on your liking. Once you've had it, gotta get another screwdriver. You wanna make sure your bolts are not too tight where you can't shift, but we are perfect. So you grab the whole transmission like a strong buddy that you are. Very softly. Then you pick it back up. Get Honda Bond all over your shirt, motherfucker. And the snap ring is in place. So now we can go ahead and tighten all our screws and verify that it shifts. Now let's verify our shifting. That's second, first, then we're gonna verify the rest. That's fifth, and that's reverse. This puppy gonna see some abuse, let me tell you. So that's gonna be for today's video. I'll catch you on the next one, and we're gonna continue to build this car and hopefully drive it. I know you're upset, but I'm gonna take you out somewhere nice.
We really do look dumb as hell. Just trying to set up, and then just people just staring, people walking by with their kids, and they just see this.